Hey guys, welcome to an episode today. If I'm quiet, it's because I'm pretty late and I think I'm recording really late. So there's a song that came out, I have zero clue because I don't care. That came out and it's called Dance Monkey and it's basically the future music. Now, the song's great, the song is good, it's just the video is hilarious. The video is just damn right hilarious. We need Daz Games to react on this. Guys, go to Daz Games on Twitter and make him react to this. So this is Dance Monkey by Tones and Eyes, so let's do this. That's what I'm on about, it's just full of old men.
Here we are, Mr. Tones. Let's take that one there. Good job. I'll leave this one over here for you.
Is it me or why does he say, is it because Herbert the pervert? But like a less whistly version.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you.
Is there a reason her holding a pool cue? Is that a stick, walking stick? I don't know anymore. Oh, why has he got a? Why have they got a golf, a pool cue and golf set? What?
Shine. Take your hand, my dear,
Here comes his old men buddies.
and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead, but
What was that? Like, this is when you know your friends are here.
I see the way you shine. And place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you see.
Oh, my friends, red jumper and blue diamond jumper. I don't know what that's called, or as I like to call them, old OAP.
You every time.
Okay, I think you're a bit too old to do that. I knew. Oh, the director must. I'm sorry if I keep talking, but the director must be like, we need it snappy, we need it very headbangy. So they thought, you know what we'll do? We'll do this.
I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my
The director's like, oh, I think you're a bit too old to do that. It's a bit too much, but we'll keep it in the video. Make it
I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg.
it's like he's up to something. It's like, got him at the house. It's like, watch.
I like your style. You make me wanna cry.
He's like, got him at the house. Got him.
And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me.
Oh no, he's driving a car. I thought he had to take pills. Why is he driving a car going?
Oh, I never see.
Him. You're getting heavily pulled over because this song is getting heavily copyrighted.
Anybody do the things you do before? They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you.
By the way, YouTube, before you copyright claim me, there will be a link in the description below for this song. So just so you don't copyright claim me, thanks.
Do it all again. I say,
So let's see this. This is the face you know when you can just pull some chicks. This is what's he doing back there? This you can tell he's old and this is just him pulling girls. Why does he look like a stalker? He looks like the most scariest stalker ever.
oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in. I said, oh my God, I see you
He's interested.
walking by.
What was that? He's like, you before I started, I keep forgetting there's my camera. He just kept flipping his tongue.
Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance.
He's like, who's this?
It's just one more time.
Oh no, it's our rivals, the old people.
Ooh, I see you.
Oh, shots fired.
You see you every time. And oh my, I like
Is it me or does he look a bit like Santa Claus?
your style.
In a pink cap. Don't know, look at him, he looks like Santa.
You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time.
Looks like Dad.
So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before.
Alright, I'm okay with the old people dancing in these videos. I'm not okay with people. I'm not okay with old men hanging off golf carts in music videos. There we go, my TV is charging my phone. I'm not okay with old people hanging off golf carts, okay? My dad and my mum are old. Well, my foster parents are old. Oh, it's the most saddest song ever. But I'm not okay with this. This.
Do it before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey.
Movement going on. There's a lot.
And when you're done, I'm back to do it again.
What I don't get with this song is, it's the song has got nothing to. The song has got a bit to do with Dance Monkey. This music video has nothing to do with. I don't get music videos. I think they've got to do something with the song. Like this song, Man's. Oh, you can see there's Daz. We can see Man's Not Hot. That's got something to do with it. Obviously, he's wearing a Parker jacket, and I guess he's not hot. But in this, all they're doing is going out golf, and then he's just headbanging really violently. Jesus, I'm surprised he didn't broke a neck.
They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before.
Oh no, Grandpa's drinking again.
They say,
I'm gonna say this now just because I should have said this at the start. Can someone please, and this is a dad's joke, can someone please pick up their granddads? Can someone please pick up their grandma and granddads? Also, what the hell is this love doing here? Look at that crazy smile. Cheeky bitch. Oh, okay, what the hell?
dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move
Struggling there, bro.
for me, hey,
That's cheating. That's cheating. He's playing golf and pool at the same time.
hey. When you're done,
Sorry, I thought
I make
that's never so.
you do it again.
Grandpa, brutal grandpa. Ah,
And when you're done, I make you do it again. Oh, oh.
Is this just become creative ways to score in golf? Creative ways on how that should be a video. Creative ways to score in golf. First, play pool golf. Second, stop your opponent from scoring. Put your foot in front of the ball. And then third, use a leaf blower to put it in. That's the most thing. That's just when you know it's. Oh, look at him. See, you do something to one of these. You steal their dog, and I don't know. They know you've done that. They yeah, and then they send you this. Oh, you'd be running for the hills. Oh, I know I will. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, look at him. He's gonna beat you with a freaking golf. Yeah, don't mess with me, bruh. Oh, there we go. Yeah, windmill the, you know. granddad's just a pro golfer. Why are they drinking on a golf course? You're not allowed to drink on a golf course, are you? I don't know.
They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh, 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 oh. I never seen
Well, okay.
anybody
No.
do the things
I don't think he took his pills.
you do before. They say, move
Yeah, that nurse would be like, sit down, man. That nurse would be like, sit down, man. What are you doing up?
for me, move for me, move for me. Yeah, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. All again.
He's gone. Where's he go? Where's he gone? Where did he go? He's at golf. Wait, so what? How did he go from golf to different places at the same time? Is he Flash? Just, yeah, leave the other old man. You know, bye, bitch. I'm okay. I'm not actually Tracy ads. So yeah, so that was Tones and I with Dance Monkey. So if you guys did enjoy this episode, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Also, if you guys want to find the link, there'll be a link in the description below for the song. I'll see you guys later. Bye.